Halloween time.
There's no possessed pumpkin here. It's poopy time.
So this is this year's. The first thing we're greeted with, at least in our store, is this guy.
Good.
T-shirts.
E is for existential dread. I like
Wait, look. Look how cute.
That's pretty cool.
Comes with a...
Thing. Tote bag.
I like that too.
Ooh, comes with a top hat.
Might get this for the Halloween party. This is real blood, like my earrings.
Doubt it.
Yeah, I doubt it too.
Decently made like hats. They're pleather, not leather, but they're still like decently made, but they're all stuck together.
Corsets. Obviously, it doesn't fit me. I have a cane already. Most cliche costumes of all time. Awesome movie, but cliche costumes. Anyway, he doesn't agree with me, but these are the most basic costumes I've ever seen. I love the movie, but... This is really cool.
And they move. Fight you.
A lot of their more basic costume stuff. This, oh, color balance from outer space stuff. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. That looks gross.
It's funny, I have all 3 costume stores in that movie.
I like this hat. This hat's really cool. Ooh. You look like a girl named, like, Deborah. Like, Deborah, you let yourself go.
Ellie, give me the smoke.
This is pretty basic.
You look like a luchador. Yeah. You look like a luchador.
Best be careful where you tread on this dark night.
Why did they bring it back? No, not that.
The best Joker in existence, obviously. And this guy is so hot. I'm kidding. It's disgusting. That's
They're the
Homelander.
actual best joke. Oh my god.
That's also Homelander.
You Will and I'm Mike. No, you're busted.
I'm Will with this hair. Oh.
I could dress as Peely for Halloween.
Oh.
I would totally dress like Dorothy and perform somewhere over
Of
there.
course, we have the Harry Potter stuff. Oh. Chrissy, wait. We're getting to the sexy costumes.
La la. Oh. Be safe.
Billy!
Look, they got his head too. That's pretty cool. Excuse me, ma'am. Get on the ground. Spread your look cups. The cat is dead.
Whoa.
Astronaut boots. Lieutenant Ivana misbehaved. I like how it's just burglar, jailbird, escaped convict, top hit, but then you got
Special
Dirty Cop
Ops Officer.
Anita Bribe and Lieutenant Ivana misbehave and
Hot
Officer
Pop.
Pat Officer.
Because they hate
Can I
you.
get a Dr. Bend over?
Yo, you should be yourself for Halloween.
Oh my god.
Prescription, cash money. Ooh, they have Haunted Mansion stuff.
They don't have that. They do one Christmas.
Oh, that's so cool. Well, I love it. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
here we go. So the tombstones, hanging out on the outside.
This is cool. Ooh, are these whiskey glasses? Honestly, I've always thought the Scarecrow was cute, but it's also super basic. That's me. Oh my gosh. That's a note to myself. Oh, these are so cute. What? I'm definitely getting this. So I saw this on someone else's account. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's so adorable. Look at that. That's cool. Realize Beetlejuice. Isn't that so cute though? I love it. That's pretty cool. The wine box.
Look at this. It's tilted, but it's a Collins glass.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's pretty cool.
This
pretty cool.
for next year? Or if I buy it soon enough,
And then you
do
could
it here.
flip it to Christmas.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, I love these candles. They're fake,
cool.
but like, this is cute.
Ravens. Oh no.
You want to be a pimp for Halloween? God, I hate these.
That's how I dress normally. What do you mean?
You want to be white clam, spiked seawater? Cute couples costume?
I hate it. No.
That's actually really cool. I like that.
It's like black ribbed jean too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's kind of cool. Some of their stuff is like pretty cool for like. Ooh, I like these fake tattoos. Nice. Of course, we got some scissors, some axes.
Oh, well imagine. Here. I hate you.
More fantasy weapons. I like this. This one's so sad. What? Oh, I can get.
Oh man.
I didn't even think about. I can get decorative stuff for the front of my door. One of
Oh
these
my
guys. They went up in price by $10 from what, 2 years ago.
Why couldn't the skeleton ask the lady skeleton out to the dance?
Why?
Because he had no guts. That's awful. I hate that.
Why? It's a dog and a cat mixed together.
Yup. Gross. Experiment. That's pretty cool.
Ugh. That gives me a headache. Oh. Oh, you guys can't see that. Oh, shoot.
I'm sorry. I thought that was a kid.
No.
That's me.
I thought that was a minion singing that earlier. He worked earlier.
Oh,
I got him on camera a little bit.
what a shame. I think he's...
Little guy. Oh, duh. We have the Hocus Pocus section.
Like, how do we get that glass? The Beetlejuice glass?
If you have the money. I'm getting one thing for me, which is also Beetlejuice, ironically. It doesn't work. Oh, that's adorable. That's cool. Grandpa. He wants your drink. He keeps trying to grab it.
Oh, bitch, it's my glass.
He's trying to grab you again. Yeah, I might actually. I was thinking about getting another Halloween one.
Oh, what's this one?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Dead Inside.
I might get this one if it's
That's
still
pretty
here.
cool.
Maybe more mugs for this year. Probably will get more mugs. Like this one.
This one. This is the one I would get.
Oh, there's more? Okay. I like the Trick or Treat one. I need to watch that movie, so I'm not a fake fan. They also have so much this year. Oh no. It's the guy from Fortnite. They have a vampire one now this year.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's Fortnite.
It's a boogie bomb. Oh my god.
The boogie bomb. Oh no.
Haley wasn't even filming earlier. This is cute. This is a kid vampire stuff. I was just looking at it. Oh. Figure out some of the stuff. The moon made me do it. I love that. You might like these.
The little skeletons on them.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Then they also.
Aw. I like the little ghosts. Spiderwebs, of course. Little rats. That's so cute. I might get some squishy. Oh my gosh. Hey, look at the name for this. Squishy Mouse.
Squishy.
I love it. Oh, that's cool.
It's all the different busts.
Yeah.
It's keychain.
Squishy Mouse.